am Ty with WTI, and I want to show you what I take right before I go to bed. It's the Neurobiologix Neuro Night Essentials. One of the reasons why I take these is because I have a really hard time getting to sleep. I rarely wake up refreshed, so my nutritionist recommended these to me, and I have been experiencing longer sleep, and I've finally been able to wake up revitalized, refreshed, and ready for my day. I've also noticed that after I take these, I feel a bit calmer, so it's easier for me to fall asleep. I usually just take 2 capsules about an hour before I get ready for bed, and this is what the capsules look like. So really easy to swallow, and they don't have a taste. Sleep is so important, and it affects pretty much everything that goes on with us. So if you are having a hard time sleeping like I have, I highly recommend that you give these a try. And that's my point of view.